Hi, I'm Lisa from Lisa's World, and today I'll be making an orange pineapple explosion. At least that's what I call it. What you need are oranges, pineapple, lemon, and a small piece of ginger. The health benefits for the oranges: they're a good source of vitamin A, B1, calcium, and copper. It's low in calories. One medium-sized orange is about 80 calories. See. Okay, this is what I want to tell you, ladies, women. If you take in a good amount of oranges daily, you'll lower your risk of a stroke by 19%. 19%, and this is for women. So grab yourself some oranges, some orange juice, make your own. Make sure there's no preservatives, extra sugars, or anything like that. No store-bought, just juice them. And I'm telling you, or eat them. And it'll help you reduce it by 19% of stroke. The pineapples, they have about 120 milligrams of potassium, and it contains vitamin A. It improves respiratory health. It cures coughs better than cough syrup. So leave the cough syrups alone and the cough drops. There's just, you don't even know what's in it. Just leave it alone. Grab you some pineapples, juice it, eat it. It doesn't matter. However you want to ingest it. It also helps in colds, and get rid of your Alka-Seltzer Plus, your Theraflu, what else? NyQuil, Dayquil, all those. They're just poisons. There's nothing in there. It's just a temporary fix. When pineapples can help you, and it's healthy for you. You're not making one problem into another problem into another. Just get you some pineapples. Okay, and the lemons, they contain vitamin C, vitamin A, E, calcium, and iron. It can be used for throat infections, indigestion, constipation, skin care, and it also cleanses your stomach. In the morning, before you eat anything, grab you a jar with some good water in it, some lemon. You can slice it up and squeeze it in there. Make sure if you're going to put slices of lemon in it, you clean the outside with vinegar and water. And drink at least, I would say, about 32 ounces. If you're just new at this, 12 ounces, 8 ounces, anything is better, and this will help get your body, your stomach ready that food is coming. Because from the time you went to bed to the time you woke up, you had a fast there. So you want to prepare your body that food is about to come, and lemon water is great for that. Ginger, it can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. You can reduce muscle pain and soreness. And ginger also lowers blood sugar. A study was done with 41 participants with type 2 diabetes, and they took 2 grams of ginger in the powder form every day, and it lowered their blood sugar by 12%. So this way you can get it safely. You don't need the little pills that the doctors give you, the little white pills, or inject yourself with insulin. Your body already has insulin, and man cannot make an insulin that's equal to what your body already produces. So there's always a 20/20. There's a catch somewhere in there. So grab yourself some ginger. At night, right before I go to bed, I make me a ginger tea. It consists of boiled water. I slice up some ginger, just in like little quarter sizes. I peel it, I put it in the pot with the boiling water. I get my coffee cup ready, and I put honey in it, about 2 tablespoons. And then you pour the ginger water in there, and it's great. It'll calm you, it'll soothe you, it'll soothe the inside of you, and you'll be ready to go to bed, and it'll just prepare you for a good night's sleep. Okay, so we're going to start juicing. Grab the pineapples now. I just cut them in little slices. You can use as many as you want, however much you want. That's the one good thing about juicing. You do it your way. There's no measurements, no measuring cup. You add the ginger. It's going to make it a little spicy, give it that little twang to it. Okay. So now I'm going to strain it. Make sure you clean all your produce, even with the lemons. Even though I peel them, I still spray them with vinegar and water. The ginger, you really don't have to. It's a root, so I think that would be okay. I do the lemon as well. The orange is the lemon. Of course, not the pineapple. Okay, I'll do it one more time. That's good. Okay, so I keep my jars in the freezer. Oh, I wanted to tell you, I had a fact here. Did you know that diet sodas destroy tooth enamel just as much as meth and crack cocaine? Diet sodas make you a juice, save your teeth. Okay. I'm going to try it with the taste tester. Can I get a taste tester, please? Come over here. Come over here. Look at the camera. Say hi. Hi. Okay, try it. Let me know. Well, it's good? You want it? Here, take it. Where's your other hand? Give me this. Okay, go ahead and take it. There you go. Okay, I'm going to try it too. It's delicious. It's really sweet. It's good. You can still see the foam at the top. That's the enzymes. Drink your juice as soon as you get it. If not, you can put a lid on it and put it in the refrigerator, and it lasts up to 3 days. But it's always best to just drink it right then and there. It's really good for you. So let me know what you think. Subscribe and like to my channel, and thank you so much.